Hi, this is Alex Paulton. I'm here at the Embedded World Show with Michael Park. We're here at SECO, and they do embedded computing. Well, it's an embedded show, isn't it?
It is an embedded show. Beautiful embedded show, probably the biggest one in our industry, and the one that we can't miss.
Well, and that's the beautiful thing about this industry is they're literally building the future as we go along. And with the cloud and the internet, there's so much power out there. But you got to put the power in a package and put it into the product, and single board computers are one of the ways to do it.
Exactly, single board computers. I mean, you have all the solution on one PCB, and things are getting smaller, so it's impossible to sometimes stack up and have too much. And you want all that power, all those features, all those I/Os, all on one solution.
Well, and that's the thing is, a nice integrated solution gives the engineer a jump-off point. They can build their product around it, they can give the product the functionality they need, but also it has to be scalable, right? You can't just have one big board, you got to start with a small system and offer all kinds.
Right, and we scale in many different ways. So some of actually these single board computers you're seeing right here, the same board comes in with different processors, anything from a single core to a dual core up to a quad core. Basically keeping your design the same, but scaling that power. We also have system on modules that basically do the same thing, and in that case there's more customization, as everybody has their own features that they want to bring out on the carrier, and we allow for that option basically for them.
Well, and that's it. It has to be a scalable solution, it has to be an accessible solution, and then software as well, right?
Absolutely. There's software, and with software I'm going to add even support. I mean, we are hardware manufacturers, but people come to us, they want a full solution, and software is actually part of it.
Right. Now, some of these, for example, you run different processors. You've got Celerons, you've got the Intel Atom, you've got AMD. I mean, so you're pretty much a processor agnostic company as well.
Absolutely, absolutely. So both on x86 and the ARM side, we have something that basically fits the need of the customer, from high-end medical imaging to digital signage, things that really need that powerhouse processor, all the way down to like low-power solutions for maybe some like edge gateway. We try to cover the spectrum of what our clients request and need.
Right, now I saw a couple of demos here. You have, matter of fact, you've got like your SYS A62, the panel computer?
Well, yeah, we actually, so actually SECO has grown beyond just the embedded computer module and single board computer to also offer other services. So system integration is something that we actually become quite good at. I mean, we have 40 years experience doing this, so that's one thing, and we're also doing box solutions, so like gateways, like I just mentioned, for industrial applications, industrial IoT, or just IoT, home automation.
Interface?
Yes, absolutely.
So, so you'll have a module, or you can even integrate other people's products in and develop a product for them if they need it.
Yeah, usually, yeah. And we also bring in a lot of accessories. That's very big for us. So like one of the new products that we're showcasing actually has 3G and 4G modules, as well as Z-Wave modules that we're integrating, because we know that sometimes we have customers that come to us, want a board, and off they go. They do the rest. They have a year's experience doing the rest. But we have other people that say, you know what, I like the one-stop solution, and we're there to make them happy.
I mean, you could almost be a very good package designer, have an idea for a product, and you'll make the guts for it.
Absolutely, absolutely, absolutely. And sometimes I have to say, with SECO, we've actually gone sometimes even further than that. We've actually helped design the product for them. We're not industrial designers ourselves of products, but we bring in those experts and provide a full, complete solution. So.
Very cool. Well, then that means you also have good after-sales, FAEs and the like as well.
Oh, so again, SECO's been in the market for 40 years, and we've now expanded to basically 6 regional offices across the world, from North America, South America, many places in Europe, and now even an Asian office. And within them, we have the support staff, the FAEs, just everybody there that's, just to provide what the customer needs, provide them answers when they need them.
Excellent. Yeah, well, and where do they go for information? What's the URL?
The URL is www.seco.com. Very simple. You can see what we're launching today, or in these days, and what we have currently from many years And I think there you can easily get in contact with one of us. Just leave us a note on our website, and it's very easy.
Very cool. Thank you so much. Before I let you go, do you have any last words for our audience?
No, I just say, I think SECO's experience, a lot of our customers could speak to who we are and what we've done over the years. So I would welcome everybody to come and take a look.
Excellent. Thank you so much for taking time at this very busy show.
Thank you, Alex. Thank you.